Welcome back, my lovely viewers. Today, let's discuss 3 questions that I chose from past WAEC 2021 paper 1. The first one says, solve 2 raised to the power of square root of 2x plus 1 equals 32. The options are A, 13, B, 24, C, 12, and D, 11. To solve this is actually coming from indices, okay? And under indices, there are some laws that we can apply. So let's solve this. 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. First, let's make this less ambiguous. We all know that square root of x is the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 2. Okay? So let's write that here. That means we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of what? 2x plus 1 raised to the power of half is equal to 32. Okay, now we can actually express this as what? 2 to the power of 2x plus 1 raised to the power of half is equal to what? This 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. This is actually the first question. I have the second question here, and I have the third question that we still solve. So stick around and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's continue. Whenever we are solving anything under indices and we get to this point where the bases are equal, then just know that your powers are also equal. So since these bases are equal, that means that 2 to the power of x plus 1 raised to the power of half is equal to 5. Okay, now we don't have any other option here but to square both sides of this equation. Because when we square both sides of this equation, we'll be able to remove this half. So we have 2x plus 1 raised to the power of half squared is equal to 5 squared. So these two will divide this to give us 1. Yes, because x to the power of a to the power of b is the same thing as x to the power of a times b. So half times 2 will give us 1. That means we have that this is 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 squared will give us 25. Okay. Now, we subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. And when we do that, we have that 2x is equal to 25 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 24. When we divide both sides by 2, we will have that x is equal to 12. That means that the solution to this question is option C, which is what? C, which is equal to 12. All right, that is for question 1. Now let's solve the next question, which says, if log 2 base 10 equals m and log 3 base 10 equals n, find log 24 base 10 in terms of m and n. And these are the options that we are given. So let's do this. We are told that log 2 base 10 is equal to m, and that log 3 base 10 is equal to n. And we are asked to find log 24 base 10 in terms of m and n. All right, The first thing we need to know is that we need to factorize this in terms of 2 and 3. Okay, factorize this 24 in terms of 2 and 3. And when we do that, this is 24. If 2 divides 24, we will have 12. If 2 divides 12, we will have 6. If 2 divides 6, we'll have 3. Then 3 divides 3, we have 1. That means in terms of 2 and 3, we can express 24 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, 2 times 2 times 2 is same thing as 2 to the power of 3. Okay, that means that log to base 10 of 24 can be written as log to base 10 of 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 times 2 times 2, times this 3. Okay? Alright. Now, there is this law of logarithm which states that log AB is the same thing as log A times, plus log B. Okay, that log A times B is equal to log A plus log B. Okay, now let's incorporate this into what we just did here. That means we can express this as what? Log to base 10 of 2 to the power of 3 plus log to base 10 of 3. Now, let's recall another law of logarithm that states that log A to the power of n can be expressed as what? N log A. That means the power can be brought down. Okay? Alright. So this log A to the power of n can be expressed as n log A. Now, we can now rewrite this one as what? 3 log to base 10 of 2 plus log to base 10 of 3. Now, this is time we do substitution. Recall that log to base 10 of 2 is equal to m, and log to base 10 of 3 is equal to n. That means we can rewrite this as what? 3 log to base 10 of 2 is m, right? Plus log to base 10 of 3 is n. That means this is our solution, 3n plus 2. Now, when we search for it here, that means the solution is A, which is 3m. This is the options, 3m plus n. So these are the options, and this is what we got. That means A is our solution. A is our solution. All right, now let's solve the third one. In this question, we are asked to simplify 2 root 7 minus 14 root 7 plus 7 over root 7. If you are to solve this, we will understand what rationalization is all about. To rationalize any surd, the first thing we have to do is we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator of that surd by whatever we have as our denominator. This is what I mean. Now we are asked to simplify this. This is 2 root 7 minus 14 over root 7. Now this root 7 here is a surd and is not supposed to be the denominator. That means we need to rationalize it. Okay, and to rationalize this is going to be times root 7 over root 7. All right, so this one is plus 7 over root 21. We are going to rationalize the denominator here again, since what we have as our denominator is a surd. So to rationalize it, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the surd. So we go ahead and solve. So this is equal to 2 root 7 minus 14 times root 7 will give you 14 root 7 over root 7 times root 7 will give you 7. Okay, plus 7 times root 21 will give you 7 root 21 over root 21 times root 21 will give you 21. Alright, in this case 7 divide itself 1. If we divide 14 we have 2. That means here also if 7 divide itself 1, if we divide 21 we have 3. That means we have 2 root 7 minus another 2 root 7 plus root 21 divided by 3. Okay, but 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7 is 0. So we are left with only one option, which is what? Root 21 over 3. And this is the answer. Now let's check our options. Root 21 over 3 is option C. And that is the last question. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye.